Hi guys, Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today I have prepared super easy nail art for you for a Valentine's. Have a preview of it in here. Absolutely awesome way to use a waterproof fine liner markers on the nails, and I hope you really enjoy watching this tutorial and also learning something new. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button as there is lots of tutorials coming up every Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, so let's start. It is actually a very simple nail art with some pens. So this is a marker which is like a very fine tip, waterproof, and I've got 0.1 millimeter. And we are going to start painting the first design. So I want you to do like lines, just like this. And then we are going to put a music note. Nice and slowly, and then you just put it on the side, and we will do some coloring on it as well with the gel. It's so simple and so easy doing that way. Okay, let's do another one. So I'm just painting a line, and this one I wanted maybe a little bit thicker for a change. Very simple leaf. Okay, so this is our rose base. The next step you want to do it is just grab some gel, and we will decorate those 3 tips, and then I will move on into the next one. So dotting tool is so simple way to do a Valentine set of the nails. Just a dotting tool. So you don't need much of the stuff, and it does works magic. And then let's create the heart shape. Okay, we've got like a simple rose. Here I'm gonna cure it. Here I want to add couple very small hearts. Another one. And painting the hearts with the dotting tool, especially such a tiny one, is actually really easy. Minimalistic design, and you could paint the nails all white color and then buff it. So you do use your paints on a buff surface. I got my pens from Temu. I can actually give you the links in the description of the video. Let's cook this one. Then here I have painted I love you. So we just want to add like a little bit bigger heart. I'm picking up the gel, and then I will show you a few more because it's so quick and so simple. Okay, and then let's cook it. Okay, I've got another one. So we are just gonna paint some message window. Like a kind of cloud shape, I would say. And another one on the side. So quick and easy. Grab our dotting tool. And it is a simple message with a heart. Okay, we've got another Valentine's design. Cook it. Okay, we are gonna get ready for the next one. So this is gonna be a love poison bottle. So just paint the lines. the neck of the bottle, bottom of it. You can make it thicker on the bottom and thicker on the top. Grab the gel. And I'm just gonna use, like, I don't want to introduce the brushes because I want to show you how simple those designs with the pens are. So I've got some poison in here, some hearts jumping out of it, and some bubbles, I would say. And then some stuff going on in here. So we want to add some heart. And we've got another one ready. Okay, now let's do the last one. So we are gonna do some writings. This will be a heart, so leave an empty space. And then decorate it with some sort of swirly patterns. We can also add some sort of leaf going on in there. And then use the red. It's so simple. So a heart shape in here. And then a heart shape there. And this way we have created another design. Okay, let's see what we've got. So we've got the music notes. That one is amazing, actually. I really love that one. Just grab the top coat and top coat it. Now, when you top coat it, those pen designs, like, make sure your pens dry enough so you do not smudge them. Okay, so like, make sure they are properly dry. If you're doing it on the client, you would wait like a couple minutes as well for the pens to dry. I'm just gonna make my top coat nice and smooth and then cure it. Okay, here I've got another one. You can see it, like, we have created so many very quick and easy designs in a matter of minutes. Nice one. Then we've got the poison bottle. And I can see it. Actually, I'm not going to paint over this one because on the parts where I've got slightly thicker marker, I can see it a little bit shiny. That indicates to me it is not ready yet for the top coat. So let's maybe grab another one. This one, we painted as a last, but because it was so thin, this one is ready for a top coat. And you can see it. We do not smudge this one. So always remember to wait a second before you top coating. Then we've got this one. This one is still a bit shiny, so I'll have to be quite careful when applying my top coat. And what I will do is I will paint first of all the top parts. I will paint the side parts. This is like, if you're really rushing and you have no time, you can use this trick as well. So you just paint the top coat all around it. You can see it, I did smudge already here a little bit. So that's what I wanted to show you, that they need to just take time to dry. Okay, if it does happen, just brush it away. And clean your top coat. Okay, let's cook it. Okay, and the last two. I cannot wait to show you all of them because I think like they look really fantastic when they all together. Let me know also your thoughts about those quick and easy design with the pens. This one is there. And the last one. So this one is a bit shiny still, but I'm just gonna risk it and apply the top coat. You just cannot brush it too long, the top coat in those places, if it's still shiny. Okay, happy with that. Let's cook it and then I can show you all of them. Okay, I'm just grabbing the first one and we've got this message. Let's place it here. I think it's actually pretty cool. Really simple. Then we've got those music notes. I love this one and it would be quite hard to paint it actually with the nail brushes, so the paints works magic in here. This is definitely my favorite one. Like, I love the music notes. They always look cool. Then we've got this one. I actually really like this one as well. Such a simple, again, will be quite hard probably to achieve that fancy letters with the brush. So we've got 3. And look like how cool it looks when they are all together. Absolutely amazing. Okay, we've got our message bottle. Let's place it here. We've got a simple rose. And actually I'm gonna place this one here, this one there, this one there. I know I am so fussy when it comes to placing those things, and then the last one. So that's what we have created today, and I hope guys you have really, it looks cool, really cool together. I hope guys you have really enjoyed this short video. If you did, hit the share button. Pretty please, sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.